Hey Shanks! Welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle. I'm a newbie here on YouTube, so thank you so much for being here today, for watching this video. It really means a lot to me, so thank you so much from the bottom of my heart. So for today's video, we're going to cook some kimchi fried rice. And if you want to know my recipe and watch me eat, then just keep on watching. So Shanks, finally, we're going to cook some kimchi fried rice today. Paubos na yung kimchi ko, so sinugurado ko na makaka-film ako before siya maubos, even though it's almost 2 AM na. And yun nga, diba sabi ko dun sa first cooking video ko, yung tteokbokki or Korean spicy rice cakes.
Masarap siya kainin yung mga Korean food, ano, hindi naman lahat, hindi naman marami yung nakain kong Korean food actually, but basta may kimchi, parang masarap.
Sa akin lang, masarap siya kainin kapag like in the middle of the night or something like that. So yun, ang ganda ng chika. Anyways, let's start cooking because I'm so hungry and I'm so excited to eat. And yun, let's start. So first things first, you have to make sure that your pan is hot, but not so hot na as in super like fierce fire na talaga yung gagamitin mo. If medyo ano na siya, yes, mainit na siya. So you can use oil or butter. For now, gagamitin ko butter kasi feel ko lang ha, mas masarap siya kapag butter ang gagamitin mo kasi yung kimchi fried rice mo para siyang buttery na something like that. So yun, we will put some butter in here. Naghihingal na yung butter namin. But anyways, ang init, beshi. Oh my God. So, yun. Naglagay na tayo ng butter. And the next thing is yung kimchi mo na. Advisable kasi na yung parang you will cut it into thin pieces or small pieces. But sa akin, mas gusto ko kasi yung ganitong cut. Kasi, parang masarap siya pag ganito yung cut. It's just my opinion. It's up to you. You can cut it like super, yung maliit talaga. Uubusin ko na talaga siya. I don't know if you guys can see my dogs here. Ay, ang bango niya. As in, sobra. So, you will just cook the kimchi until parang dry na siya. As in, my sweat is dripping. Oh my God. I don't know when ko siya ma-upload kasi super busy. But anyways, I'm just happy na I can share this recipe with you guys because it's super easy as long as may kimchi ka. As in, ang bango. So, ganito siya. If medyo dry na siya, just add some just add some honey. You can add sugar or coconut syrup, basta kung anong meron ka, yun lang. You can use white sugar, brown sugar, honey. And just a fun fact, kimchi never expires. Hindi po nag-expire yung kimchi as long as sakto yung temperature or yung storage mo sa kanya. So, I guess it's time for us to put the rice. Shanks, I just wanna tell you, mas maganda if yung rice mo is yung cold rice. Huwag yung sticky na rice. Hindi siya, ewan ko, siguro sa inyo, magugustuhan niyo siya, but for me ha, hindi. I advise yung cold rice na, huwag yung mainit na rice, like yung fresh cooked rice, huwag yun. Huwag naman din yung may dukot in Bisaya, like yung super, na, overcooked na rice, huwag naman yun. Like yung cold rice, like for example, ito, niluto ito nung, like, for dinner namin. So, ngayon, it's already done. 2 AM na. So, malamig na siya. Considered na cold rice na siya. So, let's add some soy sauce. You can skip soy sauce if you want. You can just add salt if ayaw yung medyo brownish yung kimchi fried rice nyo. And you have to make sure na talagang mabilis yung pag-mix nyo sa kanya kasi, diba, it's a fried rice. Mabilis siyang ma-overcook. Like, dumidikit siya sa pan. So, you have to do it quickly. Oh my God! Pabida naman po kaso naman ay. We're almost done, you guys. So, I will add some sesame seeds. Ito na po yung last. As in, super easy lang yan and sobrang bilis lang yung gawin. Just make sure na you mix it properly para masarap talaga siya. So, I already turned off the heat, but I'm still mixing it. It smells so good. Yung iba, nilalagyan nila ng cheese, but I don't feel like doing it. And never ako kumain ng kimchi fried rice ko with cheese. But maybe next time we'll try it if it's good. Maraming mukbangers or yung mukbangers na yung nagmumukbang ng ganito, nilalagyan talaga ng cheese. Ang sa akin naman, nilalagyan ko siya ng fried egg. Yung sunny side up na egg. So, we're done. So, dito tayo kakain sa ganito. Mas masarap siya pag dito kainin. I don't know why. Basta dapat stainless dapat daw yung kakainin mo. It doesn't matter really, but I don't know. It just adds to the Korean feels if ganun mo siya kainin. Coco. Sit. No, this is not for you.
A few moments later.
So, actually, Shanks, dalawa kami ni ate kakain ito. Siya yung magluluto ng fried egg. So, while waiting for her na matapos, yung last video na in-upload ko, nag-announce ako ng giveaway. And as promised, ngayon, sa video na to, i-reveal ko yung prize na makukuha nyo. Actually, I already posted this on my Facebook account and my Instagram account. But, for those of you na there are some subscribers na hindi daw nila makita yung Instagram ko. I don't know why. It's Michmontz, M-I-C-H-M-O-N-T-Z. So, it's really important na mag-follow kayo sa akin because dun ko i-reveal kung saan kami papunta or saan yung destination namin for our trip next week. Ito yung pag-giveaway natin, you guys. It's a Starbucks tumbler and yan. So yun, sa mga mahilig dyan mag Starbucks, yung mga nag-a-idolize sa Starbucks, then you should join the giveaway. I will explain again kung ano yung mechanics for those of you na hindi pa alam. So, kailangan nyo mapanood yung tteokbokki video ko, yung nagluto ako ng tteokbokki or Korean spicy rice cakes. Number 1 is, of course, you will like that video. Like na din yung video na to, and you have to be a subscriber to my channel. And you have to comment down dun sa video na yon, yung sa spicy rice cakes. Huwag dito ha, kasi hindi yun counted. Dun sa spicy rice cakes na video ko, dun yung i-comment kung saan yung destination ng trip namin. And yun, you have to follow me on Instagram kasi dun ko i-reveal yung destination nga. And I guess that's it. Good luck, you guys. I hope sumali kayo. So, magandang pair nito is like yung milky or chocolatey drink or sparkling water or like yung water with ice. Yun. So, eto na yung eggs natin. Dalawa siya because kami ni ate yung kakain. Ito na siya siyang, it's super yummy, right? As in, super yummy nito. Do you agree, ate? Yes or no? Yes, we are. Yes po. So, shanks, ito na yung kimchi fried rice natin. I hope matry nyo. And please let me know if nagustuhan nyo. It's super simple, yet super yummy and easy. So, please do try it. And please don't forget to like. And sali ka sa pag-giveaway ko. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And please, check nyo yung other videos ko din. So, yun. I'll see you guys on my next one. Bye! Thank you for watching. See, ang sarap ng kimchi pag ganito, oh.